Kodas is a good venture in Odisha and founded by a very intelligent, qualified person. Usually in Odisha, people are starting with not in background. As a result, performance degrades, loss to the company, less benefit to the society, particularly young ones. But Surendra Pandit, the founder, is a highly qualified person going to earn his PhD. I'm telling you, is a qualified person going to submit his PhD in computer engineering soon. I'm sure and confident these types of activities should be more in Odisha. I visited almost all parts of the world. Many young people, enthusiastic people, both male and boys and girls, are available in Odisha. They have potentiality, but hidden potentiality. And this potentiality he has determined. I have discussed with him. So he wants to motivate them, inspire them, and develop their coding potentiality. Three things are necessary, which he has aware. The first one, develop coding, develop software, which will helpful to the society. Second one, development of various websites, which will help to grow the business of people, grow the institution. This is lacking, not that much qualitative website that I'm sure this newly founded organization.
Sir, how you saw in Odisha?
I'm just coming. 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. Go me. 2 minutes. See, the most important part. Yeah, just a minute. The most important part is use of artificial intelligence. He is an expert in that field. I'm sure he will contribute immensely for the growth of the application of artificial intelligence by employing these young ones in terms of application in agriculture, smart agriculture, pollution control, green energy, manufacturing, smart healthcare, particularly in rural area. Poor patients are not able to come. These health condition of these downtrodden poor people can be sensed remaining in their village, and this information will come all text data through cloud computing to our city. Expert doctor will see, and the diagnosis will be conveyed, types of medicine. So, healthcare from remote place is important. This is one of the very important components. The founder has promised to take up these issues to educate the young people to go on healthcare, finance, and other things. So these are fraud, cyber security, a very important aspect. And this aspect will be there. He has got a good advisors, which are known in the country. They will going to help him to boost the skill of technical skill, particularly software coding skill, development and implementation skill, to be applied for all fields which are required. A simple example, garbage detection. Suppose in Bhubaneswar, somewhere garbage are being piled up. After 7 days, BMC knows already people, accident, pollution, everything happened. This will be instantaneously garbage they will detect through sensor, cloud computing and analysis. And this immediately BMC will be informed. Similarly, the clean water is overflowing, wastage, bad water overflowing in the road. How to detect immediately on the same time and inform the concerned authority to take appropriate corrective measure is important. Last, our social enhancement in Odisha is necessary. We are telling them these types of institutions should be encouraged, which are getting started by very most important educated people. I am sure it is a bright success. All types of good wishes. Today is a very good day for India, and its opening is taking place. I am sure and confident some good thing will come which will help to the unemployed. This is an intelligent skill. Intelligent skill will help in terms of finally healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, pollution control, green energy, smart city, and all such applications. I have discussed with most of the top-notch people about it.
ମୁଁ ଏ କୋଡାଏ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ଲିମିଟେଡ଼ର ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠାତା।
ଆଜି ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ଓପନିଂ ହେଉଛି କୋଡାଇସ୍।
ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କୋଡାଇସ୍ 2021 ମସିହାରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଇ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମ ଆଉ ଏ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଆକାରରେ, ଯେଉଁଟାକି 2024ର ଶେଷ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ଆମେ ତାକୁ ରିଏଲ୍ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର୍ କମ୍ପାନୀକୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଇଏ କଲୁ, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆମେ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ଲିମିଟେଡ଼ର ମାନ୍ୟତା ପାଇଲୁ ମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଅଫ୍ କର୍ପୋରେଟ୍ ଆଫେୟାର୍ MCA ଠାରୁ ନଭେମ୍ବର ମାସରେ। ଆଜି ଏହା ଆମେ ଇନାଗୁରେସନ୍ କରୁଛୁ। ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆମର କୋଡାଇସ୍ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ଲିମିଟେଡ଼ ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ରହୁଛି କୋଡାଇସ୍ ଏକାଡେମୀ, ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ଆମେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଦେଉଛୁ। ତ ଏବେ ଯାଏଁ ଆମେ ତ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ରେ ବହୁତ ଥାଉଜେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ରେ ପଢ଼େଇଛୁ, ଅଫଲାଇନ୍ରେ ଏବେ ଆସିଛୁ 100+ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆମର ମଲ୍ଟିପୁଲ୍ ବ୍ୟାଚେସ୍ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ତା ସହିତ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ବି ଆମର ଜାରି ରହିଛି। ଆଉ ରହିଲା ଏଇଟା ଗଲା କୋଡାଇସ୍ ଏକାଡେମୀ ବାବଦରେ। କୋଡାଇସ୍ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ଲିମିଟେଡ଼, ଏଠି ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛୁ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇପ୍ର IT ସର୍ଭିସେସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ କନସଲ୍ଟିଂ, ଆମେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା, ଆପଣଙ୍କର AI ବେସ୍ଡ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ହେଲା, ଏସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର IoT ବେସ୍ଡ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ହେଲା, ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଆମେ କ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଟମାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ସହିତ ଇନହାଉସ୍ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ କରୁଛୁ। ତ ଆମର ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କୋଡାଇସ୍ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ଭିତରେ ଆମର ଏବେ କୋଡାଇସ୍ର ଗୋଟେ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର୍ ରହୁଛି, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋଡାଇସ୍ର ଏକାଡେମୀ ରହୁଛି। ଏକାଡେମୀରେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରାୟତଃ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଓରିଏଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଟ୍ରେନିଂକୁ ଫୋକସ୍ କରୁଛୁ, ଆଉ ଆମର ସଫ୍ଟୱେର୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚରେ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଇନୋଭେସନ୍ ଆମେ ବହୁତ ସାରା ଟପ୍ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଟପ୍ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ର ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରଫେସରମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ କୋର୍ଡ଼ିନେଟର୍ରେ ଅଛୁ, ସେମାନେ ଆମ ସହିତ କୋଲାବୋରେସନ୍ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି। ଆମେ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଇନୋଭେସନ୍ ସହିତ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର୍ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟକୁ କୋଡାଇସ୍ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ଲିମିଟେଡ଼ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କୋଡାଇସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍। କୋଡାଇସ୍ରେ ଆମେ ଏବେ ଦୁଇଟି ଜିନିଷ ଓପନ୍ କରିଛୁ, ଗୋଟେ କୋଡାଇସ୍ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି କୋଡାଇସ୍ ଏକାଡେମୀ। କୋଡାଇସ୍ ସଫ୍ଟୱେର୍ର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ହେଉଛି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଏବେ ଆଗାମୀ ଦିନରେ ଗୋଟେ IT କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ୍ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ ବାଙ୍ଗାଲୋର ପରେ। ତ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଏବେ ଗ୍ରୋଇଂରେ ଅଛି, ତ ଏଇ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ ଆମକୁ ଲାଗୁଛି ଯେ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍। ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ପିଲାମାନେ ନୋ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ ବାଙ୍ଗାଲୋର ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, ସେମାନେ ପଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି, କୋର୍ସ ବି କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ତାପରେ ବି ଜବ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ହ୍ୱାଇ ନଟ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ। ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଛୁ, ପିଲା ଏଇଠି ପଢ଼ିବ, ପିଲା ଏଇଠି ଚାକିରି କରିବ। ମୋର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଭିଜନ୍ ହେଉଛି 2029 ସୁଦ୍ଧା 5 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ 500ରୁ ଉର୍ଦ୍ଧ୍ୱ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟିଙ୍କୁ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ଦେବା ଏବଂ ଯେତେ ଅଧିକରୁ ଅଧିକ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ଶିକ୍ଷାରେ ପଢ଼ାଇବା, ସେଇଟା ମୋର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ। ଏବଂ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ମାନେ ହେଉଛି ଆମେ ମେ ମାସରେ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କରିଛୁ ଗୋଟେ କୋଡାଇସ୍ ଜୁନିୟର ଲଞ୍ଚ କରିବୁ, ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ଆମ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ହେଉଛି ଏବେ କଲେଜ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛେ ବେଶୀ ଆମର ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପାଇଥନ୍ ହେଲା, AI ହେଲା, ଏଇସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ପଢ଼ୁଛେ। ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜିକୁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କୁଲ ପିଲା ଛୋଟ ଲେବୁଲରେ 18 ବର୍ଷରୁ କମ୍ ପିଲା ହେଉ କି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ଼ 6 ହେଉ 7 ହେଉ 8 ହେଉ, ସେ ପିଲା କେମିତି ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ସହିତ ଆକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟେଡ଼ ହେବ, ସେଇଟା ଆମର କୋଡାଇସ୍ ଜୁନିୟର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ଆମେ ଆଗାମୀ ଦିନରେ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଛୁ।
Codedice software and research is going to establish a new bridge between technology, innovation and cutting edge software solutions in the future of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Atmanirbhar Odisha. So I first congratulate the founder, Mr. Surendra Kumar Panda, who has given his whole effort to establish this pioneer company, startup we can say, which is inlining the technology of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cyber security, converging with the cutting edge software solutions. So I really congratulating to the localites also who are going to have a particular company nearby them, okay, and going to get software solutions by providing some problems to the founder, and it will definitely come a pioneer Fortune 500 company. I am thinking in future it will be in line towards the Atmanirbhar Odisha with respect to software. And as IT field is now prolifying with all Odia software architects across India, even across globe, our Odia software professionals are really doing tremendous job, not only in India, across the globe. In many companies you will find, okay, many project manager, team leader, developers are from Odia. Those are all Odisha's professionals who has passed out their professional career, engineering career by studying in Odisha, even IITs, NITs and abroad. So one thing I could see the vision of this particular company, which basically is a trailblazer in innovation and converging both cutting edge technology with the latest trend of web engineering and the software development, testing, manual automated testing, all those features. So I saw the vision of the founder is really okay, long term vision, and I am congratulating him, okay, and congratulating to whole localites of this Khandagiri, okay, to have this IT company which is converging both research and innovation with software solution will be a future pioneer of Odisha software industries. And we are looking forward such kind of company like CodeDS, okay, which will put milestone and they will give their 100% effort. Their IT developers are going to give their 100% effort to produce the latest trend software solutions which will help the humankind of not only Odisha but also India as well as across the globe. Thank you.
My name is Jitendra Sahu. Currently, I am working as an assistant professor in Gita Autonomous College, Bhubaneswar. Today, it is a great day for us. On the eve of this Republic Day, we are being opened in the name of CodeDICE. Previously, it was a YouTube channel. We are providing online training on all the computer languages by the eminent expert, Surendra Kumar Panda sir. Now, it is a great pleasure moment for us that we are growing with it is a company. As a company, its name is CodeDICE Software and Research Private Limited. You know very well that today's generation is living on cloud computing, quantum computing, artificial intelligence. So the age is like this. So students of computer science field must be strong and expert with such languages which are used to web development in software sectors. So this company as well as this institute will provide a better growth and better teaching in the languages and web developments and internships, anything related to the computer science stream we will provide. And it is the great word that its teacher or expert Surendra Kumar Panda is a very good expert in this, and he is a very good teacher also. His teaching style is very interesting for the students. So and I have noticed him that he has been doing a very hard work and facing some difficulties to grow this institute. I have clearly seen it and I have noticed it. So I am very much personally delighted and happy that that day has come today, that this institute has turned into a company, that is Code Dice Software and Research Private Limited. I am fully happy, and my prayer before the Almighty that this company may grow with full of touching its apex and become a popular and user friendly and very interesting in the veranda of artificial intelligence, data analytics, IoT system development, smart website development, customer software solution, digital marketing. In all services, it must touch the apex level of achievement. Thank you.